Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Dodge Dart into neutral using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is fully engaged. This is crucial for safety. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position. You don't need to start the engine, just activate the electrical system. This prepares the car for the next steps, allowing access to the shifter mechanism. Now, look closely around your gear shifter. You'll find a small, often rectangular, plastic cap. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, carefully pry this cap off. Be gentle to avoid scratching the console. Beneath this cap, you will see a small button. This is the manual shift lock override, designed for situations like this. With the shift lock button exposed, press and hold it down firmly. While keeping the button depressed, move your gear shifter from park, or whatever gear it's in, directly into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Double-check your dashboard display to confirm that the gear indicator clearly shows N for neutral. Once the vehicle is in neutral, you can release the shift lock button and carefully replace the plastic cap. Make sure it snaps back into place securely. Remember to keep the parking brake engaged until you are ready to move the vehicle. Your Dodge Dart is now safely in neutral, ready for towing or repositioning as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.